By the end of this video, you're going to be able to tie your own tie, and you're going to look like $1,000,000. Here's a little secret. You don't need a mirror, you don't need a collar, and you definitely don't need any grief from a tie. Be sure to stick around until the end, and I'll show you how to size it so that it fits perfectly every time. Start by laying your tie down on a table. Note where the wide end is. Spin it around, and cross the wide end over the narrow end to make an X. Note that I've left the narrow end much shorter than the wide end. That's about 5 inches or 13 centimeters. Pinch this X with your right hand. And fold the wide end with your other hand around the back and to the right. Stretch it out with the back of the tie now facing upwards. What I love most about tying a tie this way is it's a totally stress-free way to get a perfect knot, whether it's for yourself or maybe somebody else. You might be tying a tie for your child or for your partner. It's an absolute lifesaver. Take the wide end and fold it up, like this. Pick it up from the other side and bring it through this hole here. And what you should see is a knot starting to form. This will actually be the foundation of our knot, the base that'll give it a nice, symmetrical, triangular shape. The back of the tie should again be facing upwards. Take the wide end and swing it across the front, like this. Throw it over and then pick the whole thing up with your right hand. Now, with your left hand, take the wide end, thread it around the back, and up through this loop. Swap hands and pull it all the way through. Okay, notice what we've just done here. We've created a little opening, a little tunnel. What we're going to do is thread the wide end through that tunnel and pull it all the way down, holding the knot as we go so that we don't undo our masterpiece. Now the next step is absolutely crucial. And I say that because if you skip it, all your hard work can very easily come undone. Flip the tie over. Grab both ends with one hand and gently pull the neck loop here to tighten the knot. This will stop your knot from coming loose or looking like a square instead of a triangle. We don't want that. To adjust the size of the neck loop so that it fits over your head, simply hold the knot with one hand and either pull the loop out like this or pull the thin end to tighten it. Friends, if you're still here, you're clearly my kind of person. This next video has got your name all over it. By the end of this video, you'll be able to tie a tie so well, you'll start finding excuses to dress up just to show it off. Click on the link now, and I'll see you over there. Thank you so much for watching.